the sectors that we serve are fairly traditional sectors. It's food or food and beverage. It's appliance or manufacturing or durable goods for the home. It's innovative and technology products that are sold either direct to customer or through traditional channels. And it's a healthy mix of emerging businesses. It's the startups, it's the entrepreneurs who are able now to grow their business instantly, as well as national accounts. So it's
The upstart brands.
yeah, the upstart brands, but it's also the existing brands. It's the companies who are in the fortune categories. So again, it's Louisville's a beautiful place for business. A lot of the world moves through Louisville, and that's what has to drive our ability to serve and stay ahead of the demand.
So you're seeing growth in e-commerce, Pax?
Yeah, I think yeah, e-commerce is heading in the upward direction for sure. What we're finding is, broadly speaking, the whole term of e-commerce is becoming so large that there's now multiple categories within it.
Of course. Yeah.
And truthfully, there's a lot of new opportunity with just direct to consumer, direct to doorstep business. So it's handled through e-commerce, but it's not necessarily handled through that traditional channel of distribution and so on. So yes, we're seeing
Interesting.
quite a bit of opportunity.
Great. Okay. So what are your customer expectations in terms of quality, lead times, and how are they developing?
Well, they're I guess they reflect the times, Sean. Lead times are becoming, just instantaneous. And with that, the expectation of we don't want too much inventory, but you can't have too little. We need everything when we want it. We want it in exact quantities and counts, and we need it now multiple times through the day. So it is a demanding marketplace, and you've got to be able to handle that demand. As you do that, quality can't suffer. The range of work that you bring to a customer can't suffer. It can't be any longer for you to produce a full color, highly performance driven package rather than something that's extremely simple and efficient. So, like all customers, you want everything you can get as soon as you can get it in top quality and a competitive price.